About 3 months ago, my family and I moved from Victoria to Townsville. Now, this is the first time I'm experiencing a North Queensland summer, and it's getting hot. You know what that means. Now, I think cold brew gets overly complicated. You always want to use a super dark roast. The key is to grind your coffee ultra coarse, brew in the fridge for at least 24 hours. Dark roast will definitely work best. See, the key is it has to be aged coffee. I think there is a better way that doesn't require you to sacrifice on quality. A pour over cone, a paper filter, 15 grams of freshly roasted filter coffee. Today we're using the Ethiopian Conga. It's natural, it's delicious. You need a carafe, a fridge, and 260 grams of boiling water. Hang on, hot water? Exactly. You see, water is a solvent. It dissolves the flavour that's in the ground coffee. It is less efficient at pulling flavour out of coffee when it's cold. Using hot water makes your brew taste sweeter, it is cleaner, and obviously faster. Grind your coffee the same way that you would for a pour-over. Mine is about the size of raw sugar. Rinse the filter because they can impart a papery flavour to your brew. Pour your coffee into the cone. Pour your hot water over the coffee bed, about half full, and then give it a good stir. This is going to break up any clumps and help a lot of those gases to release. Pour slowly down the edge of the paper to make sure all of the coffee is mixed into the brew. Keep pouring down the edge until you have about 280 grams of weight. Chuck a lid on it. Toss that bad boy in the fridge and boom, you're done. Your total brew time depends on the degree in which the coffee that you purchased was roasted, and also your grind size. If you're using exactly what I'm using, there's about a 3-minute brew. If you notice your coffee is a little bit bitter, grind coarser, or use slightly less water. If your brew is too sour, grind a little bit finer, or use slightly more water. This recipe will brew enough coffee for 2 people. Scale up the recipe by doubling the number of batches you have if you've got to brew it for more people, or if you drink enough coffee to kill a horse. If I have offended your time-honoured method for brewing cold coffee using cold water, then you should let me know about it in the comments. And you should subscribe too, because science. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you really want to brew coffee using cold water, then get an espresso roast, grind it really coarse, toss it in some cold water, toss it in your fridge for 24 hours, and then filter it out using some paper filters. That's probably the best way to do it. It's not like, my way is better.